Good morning. The clocks have gone back an hour in the UK, which means it's officially winter time. This morning for my breakfast, I'm going to make myself a bagel inspired by the wonderful Hive Cafe in Garlieston. They do this dish and it's gorgeous. It's a Houllami and avocado bagel. I've never made it before myself, so I'm going to give it a try. So I'm going to put the hob onto 4. I'm going to fry the Houllami on this. I'm also going to get the grill going. Stick that on, get it heated up. Okay, my first step, I'm going to open the Houllami, which is either goat's or sheep's cheese from the Mediterranean. It's got a nice flavour to it. It's kind of a little bit salty. It's not too strong a flavour, but it grills lovely. You know, it cooks really nice, so you can serve it with all sorts of things. I'm just going to cut the packet open here. It's a little bit like mozzarella, if you've ever cooked with mozzarella before. It's a similar kind of consistency. There's a little bit of juice in it there, so just cut it out. I'm going to slice myself maybe 4 slices off this. See that? I think that should be enough. I'm going to pop them in the frying pan. Not going to use any oil, just going to put it straight in. And we want to fry that until it's golden on each side. Okay, my next stage, I'm going to prep the avocado. You might want to add a little bit of lemon juice into it. I read a recipe online, you can also add chili flakes, which I'm not going to be doing today. So to prep the avocado, I'm just going to cut it in half, like this, around like that. Avocado is not something that I have regularly, but very occasionally. And you open it up and there's a stone in the middle. It's pretty cool. You get a spoon, you just spoon this half out into the bowl. I think half will probably be enough for one bagel. There you go. Mash it with a fork. Avocado is a very oily fruit. It's full of goodness. It's lovely. You might want to add a little bit of salt in there as well. Just thinking I might have a little bit more just to make sure that I've got enough. Just going to take the stone out there. A bit more of that's lovely and ripe, this avocado. Sometimes the struggle when you buy avocados from the supermarket, they can be quite hard and take a while to ripen. But this one was a really good one, this. Avocado. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon in there as well. Just take the pips out of the lemon so I don't get any in the avocado. Mix that in with a little bit of salt, not much, but now the Houllami is starting to cook a little bit. Now Houllami has been cooking away for 3 or 4 minutes, so I'm just going to split it over. Whilst the Houllami's cooking away there, I'm just going to slice the bagel in half using a serrated knife. and start toasting that. Put the grill up a little bit. Flip the houllami again, make sure it's okay. Oh yeah, it's lovely golden brown on that side. Yeah, looks looking good. So maybe even turn this hob off now and just let that finish cooking. And just waiting on the bagel now. Ready to assemble the bagel now. So I've got the avocado, just going to put it on this side. Something I thought I could have done is have the avocado and houllami on each slice of the bagel. But I'm gonna do it this way for now, and I'm sure it will be delicious. Okay. So I toasted the bagel under the grill. I did both sides, toasted both sides of the bagel. Okay, so I've got the avocado there. I'm going to add the houllami on top of that. Plenty there. This looks really, really, really good. I'm excited for it. So that's the houllami on top of the avocado, the bagel on top, served with some summer berry juice.